Look at this sentence. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was play football. Is this sentence correct? Can you find the grammar mistake? Which word is wrong? Do not worry if you do not know. We will find the answer together. Hello, everyone. Welcome to learning while listening anytime. Today, we are going to learn a very useful grammar rule. It is called the past continuous tense. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it. You will speak about the past easily. So, listen carefully and stay until the end. What is the past continuous tense? The past continuous tells us about an action that was happening in the past. The action was in progress at a particular time. We often use it to talk about what was happening at a specific time. For example, yesterday at 4 o'clock, I was reading a book. At 4 o'clock, the reading was happening. The important idea is that the action was in progress at that time. To use the past continuous, we need the helping words was or were. Here is the simple rule. Use was with I, he, she, and it. Use were with you, we, and they. There are 3 main forms we need to learn. Here are the easy formulas to remember. First is positive sentences. The formula is subject plus was or were plus the verb with ing. For example, I was reading. Second is negative sentences. The formula is subject plus was or were plus not plus the verb with ing. For example, I was not reading. Third is question sentences. The formula is was or were plus the subject plus the verb with ing. For example, was I reading? In everyday English, we often use shorter words. Instead of was not, we often say wasn't. Instead of were not, we often say weren't. For example, I wasn't reading a book. Or they weren't playing football. For the past continuous, we always add ing to the main action. Remember, sometimes the spelling changes when we add ing. Make becomes making. Write becomes writing. Run becomes running. Sit becomes sitting. Do not worry. You will learn more about these spelling rules in another lesson. Let us practice finding the past continuous in some sentences. I will read a sentence. You tell me the past continuous verbs. Sentence 1. Sarah was drinking water. Pause and think. What is the past continuous? The answer is was drinking. Sentence 2. They were playing tennis. Pause and think. The answer is were playing. Sentence 3. Tom and David were cleaning the house. You have 5 seconds. The answer is were cleaning. Sentence 4. I was cooking dinner. Pause and think. The answer is was cooking. Here is a very important way we use this tense. We often use the past continuous with the simple past. The past continuous shows the action in progress. The simple past shows a shorter action that happened during it. For example, I was playing football when it started to rain. The playing was already happening. Then the rain started. Another example, she was cooking when I called her. Now, let us listen to a short conversation. Listen carefully for the past continuous verbs. Sarah, hello Tom. Where were you going yesterday morning? I saw you in your car. Tom, I was driving to the hospital. My brother was feeling sick. Sarah, oh no, what was your family doing? Tom, my mom was waiting in the emergency room. Tom, the doctor was giving him some medicine when I arrived. Sarah, is he okay now? Tom, yes. Actually, I was reading a book at the library when I called you just now. Tom, he is resting at home. Sarah, we were talking about him at work today. Tell him I say hello. Did you hear the past continuous verbs? Let us check the answers. You heard, we're going. You heard was driving. You heard was feeling. You heard was doing. You heard was waiting. You heard was giving. You heard was reading. You heard we're talking. Did you notice the sentence, I was reading a book when I called you? The reading was already happening. Then another action happened. This is a perfect example of an action in progress, interrupted by a shorter action. Let us look at some common mistakes students make. Mistake number 1. Wrong sentence, we was walking to the park. Correct sentence, we were walking to the park. Explanation, use were for words like we, you, and they. Mistake number 2. Wrong sentence, were he sleeping in bed? Correct sentence, was he sleeping in bed? Explanation, remember, use was with the word he. Let us do a quick practice. We were blank eating apples. Fill in the blank to make a negative sentence. Pause and think. The answer is not. We were not eating apples. Or we weren't eating apples. Now it is time for a fun quiz. I will give you a question and 3 choices. Question 1. Sarah blank reading a book. A. Were. B. Was. C. Is. Pause and choose your answer. The correct answer is B. Sarah was reading a book. Question 2. Let us go back to our first sentence from the beginning of the video. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was playing football. How do we fix the verb play? A. Played. B. Plays. C. Playing. Pause and choose your answer. We change it to playing. The correct answer is C. Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was playing football. Great job today. Let us review what we learned. The past continuous talks about an action that was happening in the past. We often use it for an action in progress at a specific time. Use was or were. Add ing to the verb. Use was with I, he, she, and it. Use were with you, we, and they. For negative sentences, add not. For questions, put was or were before the subject. Now it is time for your homework. Write one sentence in the comments using the past continuous. Tell me what you were doing yesterday at 8 o'clock in the evening. I will read the comments and reply. Thank you for watching Learning while listening anytime. Do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning. Keep listening. Keep growing your English with learning while listening anytime.